higher order thinking skills. In this video, I am concentrating only on one concept, that is, find the value of unknown in the given sequence. That is, find the value of k when 3 or more terms of AB is given. Here, one basic thing we need to remember. If A1 first term, A2 is the second term, A3 is the third term, A4 is the fourth term, and so on, An is the last term. This is the AB. In this AB, common difference is always same. That is, D is equal to A2 minus A1. You know how to calculate common difference. D is equal to A2 minus A1, and D is equal to A3 minus A2. If you observe these two, in the LHS part, common difference D is same. Therefore, RHS must be equal. That is, A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. On this concept, we can solve these three problems. Very, very important from the examination point of view. So, let us start one by one problems to find the value of unknown in the given sequence. First question is like this. If 3k minus 1, 2k plus 1, 3k plus 5 are in AB, find the numbers. If you observe these three terms, this is A1, this is A2, this is A3. Now I want to find the numbers. Numbers means first I want to find the value of k. If I calculate the value of k, I can substitute in this and I can calculate the numbers. Now, as I said, common difference in arithmetic progression is same. So I will calculate the common difference. B is equal to, first I will take A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1, A2 is this term, 2k plus 1. So 2k plus 1 minus, I want to write A1. A1 is in 3k minus 1. This is 2k plus 1 minus 3k minus 2 minus plus 1. Now I can simplify. 2k minus 3k is minus k because bigger number sign is negative, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, plus 2. This is common difference. Now, common difference is calculated with the help of A2 minus A1. Similarly, I can calculate the common difference with the help of A3 minus A2. Now, just look into this. Common difference is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 is this term, 3k plus 5 minus A2. A2 is this term, 2k plus 1. Now, I will multiply this minus sign. So, this 3k plus 5 as it is minus 2k minus 1. So, simplify. 3k minus 2k is k. 5 minus 1 is 4. So, common difference in the arithmetic progression is always same. I call it as equation number 1. And I call this as equation number 2. So, equation 1 and equation 2 are equal. Therefore, I can write like this. From one end, this minus k plus 2 minus k plus 2 is equal to this term, k plus 4. k plus 4. So by shifting, I can find the value of k. So this minus k as it is, I'll take this minus k to this k to LHS. Therefore, this becomes minus k is equal to 4 as it is, 2 to RHS. So it will become minus 2. So this is minus 2k. That's equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. K is equal to 2 divided by minus 2. Therefore, k is equal to minus 1. Just I got the value of k, but I need to find the numbers. How to find the numbers? Let us complete. Numbers are first is 3k minus 1, that is 3k minus 1, that's equal to 3, k value is minus 1, this minus 1 as it is, so I will take minus 3 minus 1, therefore first number is minus 4. I got the first number. Now I want to calculate the second number. To calculate the second number, I take this 2k plus 1. So 2k plus 1, 2 in k value is minus 1, this is plus 1. Now I can say minus 2 plus 1, therefore it is minus 1. Now I got the value of second term. Second term is minus 1. I want to calculate the third term. Third term can be calculated using 3k plus 5. Now 3k plus 5. 3 k value is minus 1 plus 5. So minus 3 plus 5, that is 2. Therefore, last statement we need to write numbers are minus 1, minus 1 and 2. This is the first example. Only one unknown variable is given, that is k. Very simple example. In the next two more examples, I will take 2 unknown variables and 3 unknown variables. If you understand all the 3, you can solve how to find unknown quantities in arithmetic progression. Here I am considering the second example in which 2 unknown variables are given. This is the question: if 1, A, B and 13 are in arithmetic progression, find A and B. Method is one and the same. Again, I need to equate the 2 common differences and I need to proceed further. Now, 2 unknown variables are given. In the previous, only one unknown variable was there, that is k. Let us see how to solve this. First, b is equal to, let us say, a2 minus a1. Here, a2 is nothing but a minus a1. a1 is 1. This is one common difference. Let us call this as equation 1. I will take a second common difference now. b is equal to, that is a3 minus a2. b is equal to a3 minus a2. a3 is b, a2 is a. Therefore, I can say b minus a. This is, I can call equation number 2. Now one more equation, that is b is equal to a4 minus a3. So b is equal to, I can say a4, 13 minus 3. This is 3. Then how to solve it? When 2 unknown variables are there, I need to equate equation. Second, I want to equate equation 2 and equation 3. I'll get one more equation. Means totally two equations I am going to get. Those are pair of linear equations in two variables. There are three methods to solve it. You are quite familiar with it. One is substitution, and another one is elimination, third one is cross multiplication. Elimination is quite simple. I need to use that. Okay, let us proceed how to solve this. First, I will equate these two from equation 1 and equation 2. I am considering equation 1 and equation 2. So, a minus 1 is equal to this b minus a. b minus a. Shifting. If I shift a as it is, I take this minus a, it will become plus a. I take this b minus b is equal to, I take this 1 to RHS. Minus 1 to RHS means it becomes plus 1. So 2a minus b is equal to 1. This is one equation. I can call equation number 4. Because already two equations are here. Similarly, I can say now from 2 and 3. I will equate these two equations now. b minus a is equal to this 13 minus b. Shift all the terms one side, this minus a as it is, plus b I will write. This minus b is shifted, it becomes plus b is equal to 13. So make this equation in the simplified form. This I call equation number 5. Now I got two equations. Those are pair of linear equations in two variables. What are the two variables? A and b. As I said, I will consider these two equations and I will solve them. Let us say 2a minus b is equal to 1. This is equation 1. Means fourth equation I am considering. 2a minus b is equal to 1. And this minus a plus 2b is equal to 30. Plus 2b is equal to 30. These are the two equations I am considering. Now, I use elimination method to solve this. Here I want to equate the coefficients of a. If I want to equate the coefficients of a, I multiply this second equation by 2. So, first equation this as it is 2a minus b is equal to 1. If I multiply minus 2a, 2 into 2, that is plus 4b is equal to, this is 26. So, solve it. If I add them, 2a get cancels because plus 2a minus 2a get cancels. This is 4b minus b is 3b is equal to 27. b is equal to 27 divided by 3. b is equal to 9. I got one answer. I want to find a. To calculate a, consider any equation out of these two. Or you can go for this or this. All are done at the same. Now I want to calculate a. Here I will calculate. So minus a plus 2b is equal to 13. Now b value is 9. Substitute minus a plus 2 into 9 is equal to 13. Minus a is equal to 13. This is 18. If I shift that side, it becomes minus 18. So minus 18. Now this is minus 5. therefore A value is 0. This is how to calculate when two unknown variables are given. Whenever two unknown variables are given, after equating, we will get pair of linear equations in two variables by any method out of three: substitution, elimination, cross multiplication. Out of three, any method you can use and you can solve it. Now I use method of elimination. This is the solution when two unknown variables are given. In the next problem, I'll discuss how to solve when three unknown terms are given. Let us solve one more question with three unknown terms. Here, just observe this question. Find ABC, following numbers are in AB. Now, A 7, B 23 and C. These numbers are in arithmetic progression. Then find ABC. Three unknown values are given. As usual, this is A1, this is A2, A3, A4, A5. Now let us calculate the common difference quickly. I will not write the formula, that is D is equal to A2 minus A1, D is equal to A3 minus A2. That I will not write directly, I will take the values. First, common difference that can be calculated with the help of A2 minus A1, that is 7 minus A, 7 minus A. I call it as equation number 1. Finished. Next, common difference can be calculated with the help of A3 minus A2, that is A3 minus A2, B minus 7. B minus 7. I can call this equation as equation number 2. As usual procedure, whatever we have done in the previous, same we are doing. Next, D can be calculated with the help of A4 minus A3. A4 is this, A3 is this, means that 23 minus B. 23 minus B. I call it as equation number 3. Next, D can be calculated with the help of A5 minus A4. A5 is C. A4 is 23. C minus 23. That is equation number 4. All the 4 equations are taken. Now, as usual procedure, as how we have equated in the previous, same way we need to equate. But see how I am going to equate. How I am going to choose the equations to equate. Now, instead of equating first and second, I will equate like this. I will equate second and third. The reason is, here BB is there. So, I am going to equate this. Directly I am going to get the value. Any equations you can equate. Now, I will write from 2 and 2. From 2 and 3. I am equating second and third equation. That is B minus 7. B minus 7 is equal to this 23 minus B. 23 minus B. Shift variables one side and constants another side. B as it is. If I take this B, it becomes plus B is equal to 23 as it is. That is this. Minus 7. If I shift, it becomes plus 7. 23 plus 7 is 30. So 2B is equal to 30. I want to calculate B. B is equal to 30 divided by 2. That is 15. Done. I got the value of B. Still I need to find the value of A and C. So now I will equate equation 1 and 2. If I equate equation 1 and 2, I will write from 1 and 2. If I equate, let us see, 7 minus 8. 7 minus 8 is equal to b minus 7. b minus 7. Now b value is known, that is 15. I will substitute. So 7 minus a is equal to 15 minus 7. So 7 minus a is equal to, this is 8. Now shift it. So minus a is equal to 8 minus 7. Therefore a is equal to, can I say, minus 1. You got the value of a also. Last, I got a, I got b, I need one more thing, that is c. I will consider these two. Or first and last, any equations you can consider. Let us consider these two. 23 minus b means third and fourth from 3 and 4. I can say 23 minus b is equal to this c minus 23. c minus 23. Substitution. I got the value of b as 50. Substitute that. 23 minus 50 is equal to c minus 23. This is 8. 8 is equal to c minus 23. I can shift this 23. 8 plus 23 is equal to c. Now c is equal to, I can say 23 plus 8 is 31. You got all the things, that is a minus 1, b 15 and c 31. This is how to calculate three unknown quantities in arithmetic